Hi guys, it's me, and that was just a random opening to the video. Today is Sunday, tomorrow is Labor Day, and I'm very happy today because it's my best friend's birthday, but I can't be there. I'm really sorry, Cece. She's turning 12, so. I don't think she has a YouTube thingy, so just comment on the video below, or below. And you'd be like, happy birthday, Sierra. She's turning 12, and she's really cool. We call her Mima, so we call her that too. But I just wanted to inform you, we will both be making more videos, me and Lola, and we don't know if we might get another channel or something, or we'll keep this channel. But we're not going to be using this computer, so sorry if you can't hear me. It's a really crappy computer, video-wise. And so we'll use my computer, and I have a lot of videos on my computer at home from my dad's house with my dad right now from my mom, and I can upload those. Those are probably really equally bad, but they're still funnier because we've made a lot of videos and we've been planning to upload them, but we've never done it. And my cat's so high. I feel like everybody's like, oh, cats are the losers. No. She has warts. My cat has warts. That's how weird my cat is, but I love her. She got jealous in high school last night, or whatever you call it in middle school. I used to call it sleepover. My cat was being meow meow. Stop it. Okay. Hey, quit. She's a troublemaker. She's so mean. Last night, bites you, as you've seen in my cat bit me video where I was in my pajamas. That video is kind of random and weird, but I'm overused. So I guess nobody was really interested in my cat with my cat babies. I guess it's not important to people, but it could have gotten babies from my cat. So hope you have a great day. Happy almost Labor Day. Happy birthday, buddy. Yeah. Bye.